So let's have a look here and see what I got. So I just bought a new pedal board. So this is Pedal Train Novo 24. Let's see here. So that's the carry here. And we got the scratches here that we'll install right after. Let's just have a little look at it there. This is really nice. Really nice. Yep. Pedal Train Novo 24. Perfect for me to go back on stage. Excellent. So I'll show you after how I'm gonna scratch all that there and how it works. So I'm gonna probably place those scratches here from here to here and just cut it off after. That's what I think I'm going to do. Here we go. You have to kind of calculate here, make it straight. Kind of do the same operation here the whole way. Like this. And after I'll just have to stick it. Here. Do something nice. There we go. One, two, three, four. Okay, so we got those straps right here. I just have to stick them on like this here. So I just have to stick it on here. So I'm going to try to follow the line here somehow like this here and just take it off really slowly and gently. Try to follow the whole line here. Okay, just once it's on, it's on. That's number one on. Let's put number two. So just have to take them off like this here. Be gently. So maybe let's go more progressively and stick it on. I have to really place it well here. Better do it like that. This one is done better than the first one there, but that's okay, I'll survive. No one's going to see that. Put on all the nails. Gently here. Make sure you're going the right path here. So I can see it a little bit on the side. Okay. Okay. Number 4. Ta-da, there you go. Now we just have to install the pedals now and see how it works. So this is a start how my pedal board is going to look like. And now something you have to look at, putting the scratches behind here. This pedal here, my full tone, full drive MOSFET here, something I'm going to have to do is take these screws out there probably because I can't put the scratch on. So now the next step was to install that iSpot Pro so I can plug in like 7 pedals. So I'm just gonna show you here. So I needed this material here for that and install it here. Okay, and just use like, screw it in the metal there. Not so easy. They could do like little holes there already placed. That would be great, but I understand there's different sizes there. So this is where I can plug it in after. Turn around here. There you go. And we're all good. So now this is set it up there exactly the way I want it here, but this could change. So I have here a wah pedal that's like 25 years old, a little tuner here. I got my OCD crunch pedal. I got my full drive to MOSFET by Full Tone. I got my Ibanez tube screamer. After I got my Blue Sky Straumann, Timeline Straumann, Mobius Straumann. So next step now is to give it a little try on the sound here and see how it goes, how it sounds. So I'm going to use my Supersonic Fender amp for that. So now let's give it a try at all the pedals on my pedal board setting right here. So first of all, we're going to start with a my Reverb Blue Sky. So you see I'm using here my delay, timeline here, and also a little chorus on my Mobius Straumann pedal here. Let's have a little look at the Ibanez tube screamer here. Now the full drive to MOSFET here by Full Tone here. Let's give it a little try on it there. Now the OCD is a must-have pedal, that's for sure. Let's give it a little try here. Here we go. Cool pedal here, so I have also my tuner that I can check here. There you go. And of course here we got the wah pedal here, so that's a cool little thing here. Of course the crybaby. So I hope you enjoyed this video here. Don't forget to subscribe here. This is not my final pedal board. There's other pedals coming there, of course, and you can change it the way you want. I hope you enjoyed it.